Hello everybody. Today I'd like to point out how the DSCOVR satellite is a total fraud. First, I'll show you this article from NASA of the moon transiting the Earth. Now, this is taken by the EPIC camera on the DSCOVR's satellite between 3:50 p.m. and 8:45 p.m. That's almost 5 hours. It's 4 hours and 55 minutes. Now, we see the moon pass by, but the clouds don't change shape. Let's take a look closely. See this? See the shape? It stays the same the whole 5 hours. And this system, storm, whatever, it's the same. You can look all over this time-lapse image and see these clouds don't change shape in 5 hours. Now that right there is, I would say, impossible. I mean, clouds constantly change and morph. Okay, now let's look at this time lapse of an eclipse. Now, it's a 4 megapixel camera from 1,000,000 miles away, right? So the moon's about 230,000 or 240,000 miles from the Earth, which is a lot closer than the camera is said to be. Now the whole Earth is lit because it's always between the sun and the Earth, so you always get the sunlit side. Now, it would be impossible to take photos of the moon's shadow without getting the moon in the picture, right? Pretty easy to understand that. Now here's another one of the 2017 eclipse, right? You see, from 1,000,000 miles out in space, the camera captured 12 natural color images, right? Look at that. Natural color images with it like photoing right through the moon, I'm sure, right? Yeah. Like, look at the color difference. It's like all bright blue. Or maybe that's color enhancement, whatever. Okay, this is from the DSCOVR website. You can see these still shots that the camera takes. This is from 2016, December 21st. So, I just want to point out that I'm from Vancouver, Canada, which is just beyond the horizon there in North America. So I'm going to cycle through some images of that day. This would be the first time that Vancouver's just almost getting light, just there. Just beyond the horizon there is Vancouver. So it's like dawn. And South America is, a little on the right side. So now, spin it to the next one. Now it looks like Vancouver would be in the light. South America towards the right side of the planet. Now South America is almost around the corner. We see Australia coming in, and up here Vancouver in the sunlight. Alright, so now one more and Australia's there. South America's gone, North America's gone. So that's about less than a quarter turn, maybe. So, okay. Yeah, I would say that's less than a quarter turn. So, if a quarter turn equals 6 hours of sunlight, that would mean that Vancouver gets less than 6 hours sunlight on December 21st. And that's not what I experience because I live here and I know we get more than 6 hours on December 21st. This is a fraud. Don't be fooled by these guys. They're liars. Thank you for your time.